Welcome to How to Fix South Africa YouTube channel. Subscribe and share. The channel who speaks about solutions for our beloved country. In this 15 video we will focus on what corruption does to the South African economy. Corruption has had a significant impact on the South African economy, both in terms of economic growth and the well-being of its citizens. Here are some of the ways in which corruption affects the South African economy. 1. Reduce foreign investment. Corruption is a major turn-off for foreign investors who are less likely to invest in countries where corruption is rampant. This reduces the flow of foreign capital into the country, which can hinder economic growth and development. 2. Wasted government funds. Corruption often leads to government funds being misused or diverted for personal gain. This means that money that could have been used for public services, infrastructure development, or other important projects is instead wasted, which can hinder economic development and exacerbate poverty. 3. Unfair business practices. Corruption often leads to unfair business practices, such as preferential treatment for certain companies or individuals. This can stifle competition and hinder innovation, which can hurt economic growth in the long run. 4. Inefficient public services. Corruption can lead to the hiring of unqualified or incompetent individuals in public service positions, as well as the diversion of public funds away from important services like healthcare and education. This can lead to a decline in the quality of public services and negatively impact the health and well-being of citizens. Overall, corruption has had a negative impact on the South African economy, hindering economic growth and development, wasting government funds, and negatively impacting public services and the well-being of citizens. Make sure you leave your like for us to get to more people. We count on you to make the change and be an active citizen in the South African society. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.